today in this video, guys, I'm going to do something crazy. I'm saying crazy because this computer, it's 20 years old computer. The processor that's inside of this computer is this one here, is Core 2 Duo or Core 2 Quad, doesn't support SSE4.2, doesn't support POPCNT. Windows 11 released version 26H1 that never meant to work together with processor that does not support SSE4.2 and POPCNT. But what if we will try to force install if I successfully install it on this old computer? Will it even boot? I know, guys, that you was really afraid to do this. That's the point. This is the reason why I'm doing this video today. Let's go directly to the point and let's see what it will happen. Okay, let me show you my computer. This one here is Core 2 Quad processor. Look at this, guys. Intel Core 2 Quad processor. It's the same architecture with Intel Core 2 Duo processor. Both these processors do not support SSE4.2 and POPCNT. So let me show you. If you go on settings and if you search for update here, you will see here an option Windows 11 system requirements. Click here and then it will open up a browser. Then you will have here PC health check. I need this because I wanted to show you guys that this computer does not support Windows 11 at all and is really old computer. If you click here check now, you will see this PC must support Secure Boot, TPM 2.0 must support it, it's not supported. The processor isn't currently support Windows 11. More about CPUs. Okay, now I have here Core 2 Quad. Let me show you something, guys. It's launched on 2006 and we are in 2026. Let's say this CPU is 20 years old, guys. Normally does not support Windows 11. But let me explain you something. Windows 11 26H1, you need to know more about this. This version of Windows is only available on new devices with selected new silicon. This is for ARM processors, okay? New silicon, as they come to market in early 2026. If you wanted to test, you have to go in Microsoft Insider Preview to install this directly and make your own tests. And do not install it when you don't know what you are doing, okay? Windows 11 26H1 is not offered as in-place update, okay? Because this is a special version. It's not 26H2, it's 26H1, okay? Will not work like 24H2 or 25H2. You will not see it if you are in a normal processor. Microsoft officially released Windows 11 26H1, but it's not for the existing PCs. This Windows 11 26H2 is coming for all PCs. So do not worry. Today we are doing this amazing test to see what it will happen. It's just for fun. And guys, you need to know, if you try by yourself, you need to see what it will happen in my computer. 26H1 is for new devices only, and they are for Qualcomm X2 system, at least for now, okay? But I wanted to try. I'm curious if it will work or not. I really didn't before. No, I mean, I will do it today. Yes, guys, you will see my sincere impressions today. I'm just curious, guys. So 26H1 devices are themselves not upgradable from 26H1 to 26H2 because 26H1 is based on a different Windows core, okay, than all the other versions. Yes, okay, Microsoft development. So if you want to read more, go ahead, click the link on the description or in my blog post and you will get all info you need. I'm doing this for you guys for testing, only for experimenting today. Do not do it like I'm doing. Just see my video and see what will happen. Don't install it for yourself. For fun, yes, okay? In a computer that you don't have the important files, okay? Or in a virtual machine, you can do those tests. Now, I'm going in this website. Here, I will be able to download 26H1. This website will download files directly from Microsoft servers, and then it will create the ISO for us, okay? Now I'm going to download this version here. I will choose United States. Now I'm going to hit next here. I don't want Windows Home Edition. I need only Windows Pro. I will click next. Yes, download and convert to ISO. That's the point. Create a download package, and then you will see here a download package. I will bring it here on desktop, and if I extract it here, let me extract all here. Okay, here on this extract folder, you see now this command here. I'm going to right click here, run as administrator. Okay, I'm going to click here, run, and it will download the necessary files, and it starts downloading, and it will prepare the ISO for us. Okay, so look at this, process is done. So now I'm going to hit here 0 and quit, and now here on the folder we do have the ISO file that we need. If I try to mount this, let's see, and if I try to normal setup, let's see what it will happen. Change how setup. I don't need any downloads now. Click next. I didn't disconnect internet, huh? We are connected. Let's see. It's checking the PC. Let's see the errors. Oh, look at this. This PC's processor doesn't support a critical feature POPCNT. Okay, processor doesn't support a critical feature SSE4.2. The PC must support TPM 2.0. This PC must support secure boot. The processor isn't supported for this version of Windows. Okay, now what do we have to do now? We will use all methods to skip these requirements. Now, I'm going to close this. I will go to tips to fix in my website. Yeah, you can download tips to fix installer, but also you can find it on GitHub. Yeah, tips to fix installer. Here on releases, go ahead, go and download it. 1.2 is the latest. Let's get this installer here. Okay, I'm going to extract here on the folder on desktop. Okay, I will right click, run as admin. Okay, yes. Okay, backup your files first. It's checking CPU. Unknown. In fact, I need this advanced because I need all registry keys to be applied today. CPU RAM completely, yes. Okay, on downloads, no, it's on the desktop. Here it is. Choose the ISO, click open. Yes, I will click yes. And it's trying to extract the ISO file in desktop. I'm doing this only for you to see and test what it will happen if I am able to install it, okay? I'm ready to damage this system today. Don't do it in your main computer, guys, because maybe you will lose all the files and data. If you see this and it looks stuck here, no, it doesn't stuck. It will take a little time to extract it. Look at this, 7.63 gigabyte. Do you want to start Windows 11 setup? Yes. Wait. Installing Windows Server. Yes, not right now. I will click here because I don't want to download any updates. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we need to do some other tricks. We need to skip TPM. Let's use another script for this. Okay, let's go to my website again. You see this BW11 registry. Bypass CPU check, storage check, RAM, TPM. Let's try. Download this registry key. Maybe it will help. Download as a zip. Let's try this script also. We can run this as admin. Yes, we need to put one here. Here. So enter your choice, 2 to exit. Yes. Good. Now, let's try again. We'll try with my command cmd. Right click as administrator. Then what I'm going to do I'm going to go to sources. Setup prep is here. Here it is, setup prep. Okay. Sources, copy the path. cd. I'm here. Now I will type, here it is the command in my website. Setup prep. Here is setup prep. Product server. Let's see now. We did all the trick, but we need to use this command again. But you can use my script. Yes, the same thing. You see, it's impossible to skip, guys. Super impossible now. What I did, I apply all of these registry keys. I applied bypasser 23H2, and now I did a restart, and now we are able. Let's see now with fly-by-11 if this script will allow us to skip this. Select from your computer, bring it from desktop. Skip also only 2 requirements. Now we have only 2, POPCNT and SSE4.2. Next step. Okay guys, I downloaded Windows 11 25H2. Let's test 25H2 and see if this will start the process. We run the registry and everything, okay? I'm going to type K here, cd sources, setup prep / product server, hit enter. Let's see if the process will start. So 25H2, it will start, but let's see. Nice. 25H2 will start installing. We tested, we did another video tutorial. If you are curious to see, go ahead, click the video on the cards and you will see it for that version, okay? I have another idea now. Setup, this is the command that I wrote it before. Inside of this command is this setup product server, okay? Just for testing. I'm going to extract Windows 11 25H2 here. I have an idea. I'll go to sources and I will click this size. Now, as we already know, all the Windows files are here, 7 GB. Install.wim. Now, what I'm going to do, I will copy install vim and boot both of these files and will bring to 25H2. So this is the only way how we can try now. I don't have another method. Here is 26H1, okay? And here is 25H2. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to sources, try, test, copy these 2 files, and I will bring it here. And what I did, I copy install.wim and bot.wim from 26H1 to 25H2 folder. I like to damage this computer today, guys. Wait. Let's copy this setup bot, run as admin. This is setup prep / product server. Okay. Okay, wait a second. Install Windows Server. Not run now. Cool. Let's see. Okay, keep files and settings. Okay, now I am on this folder, 25H2 with 26H1 files. I'm going to click next. Is interesting. Install. Okay, I don't think so, but this is experimental. As you see, guys, installation is done successfully, but let's see what it will happen. Okay, guys, this is what it will happen. Look at this. No, doesn't work. As you see, guys, this is not working. We could not install Windows Server, and you will see this error, failed, installation failed on safe OS, fuzz with an error during boot operating system. it makes sense. In my case, it didn't corrupt my system, it goes back, here it is, with this installation failed error, okay? You see guys, do not try. Now you are sure 100%, you don't have to try by yourself. In my case, no problem is this processor will fire up or something like this, no problem for me, but it is problem for you. What if you like to install Windows 11, you are desperate and you really want Windows 11 on your old computer? I did another video tutorial. I'm showing in that video if you are on unsupported processors, the ones that does not support POPCNT and SSE4.2, look at this. Maybe you have the same processor that I have here, or maybe AMD unsupported, but the version that you have to install is 23H2. Go ahead, watch the other video that I did, guys, and install it. Okay, now let's say that you are on this processor, look at this. Or maybe older, or maybe newer. Now, I did another video tutorial, guys, how to install it. Latest version, yes, because you are not in ancient computer, but it's maybe 10 years old, okay? Thank you guys for watching this video today. Go ahead, subscribe my channel, guys. Don't forget that I need you here on my channel. If you have any questions, write me a comment. As always, God bless you. See you on the next video tutorial.